Hey guys, so I just really wanted to help you guys with one issue that a lot of people have been running into, and that is one of three things. One, you either get a bad request when you try to download the app. The second thing is you download it successfully, but for some reason, it keeps switching accounts when you're trying to log in or use it, and it makes you share or like ask for permissions or a billion different things that has to do with multiple accounts, right? Or the screen is just loading, right? Like the screen that says creating chat interface is just loading, is just loading. Well, I'll tell you exactly how to fix this. First, let me tell you why that's happening. Google has a glitch for the past 4 years where they have a hard time when you're working with multiple accounts, right? So essentially, if you have multiple accounts signed into one workspace, it's pretty tough for Google to be able to use them for our add-on and for most add-ons really. And essentially what happens is it focuses on your main account. So when I say your main account, it means the account that if you type mail.google.com, the account that would show up once you type this is the account that Google tries to focus on, right? Which is obviously a problem. So the problem is the fact that you have multiple accounts signed in. Now, I'm not going to ask you to sign out. However, that is an option. Here are the three options, the three ways to do it, and I'll tell you my preferred way. The first way, the best way, if you ask me, is to create multiple Chrome profiles, right? I understand you've probably not had to do this, your entire time using Google. So maybe just for SheetXAI, you have a second profile, right? Here you can see I have a second profile here, and I have my main profile here. And I have multiple profiles because of that reason, because of the fact that Google has a hard time when you're dealing with multiple accounts, right? Now, the second thing that you could do is you could you could first click on that mail.google.com to make sure that your email, the email you're trying to use SheetXAI with is the one at the top. Now, if it's not the one at the top, what you want to do is you want to sign out of all of the other accounts and then re-signing, but starting with the main one that you want to use. The main caveat here is that any Google related website you go to will probably need some time to adapt to the new order of your signed in accounts. Now, your third option here is and frankly, the one I believe is the worst one, is to use incognito mode and to always have to sign in. If you're using multiple accounts and you want to have access to SheetXAI, the best way that I could think of is to just share sheets to the main account, the one that has SheetXAI, and then you can edit it easily with that main account, right? And once again, this is something that Google has as an issue. I've tried every single thing in my power to try to make it work. However, I've noticed that people are still running into this issue, and there isn't much I can do because we're still on Google's framework. We're still on Google's platform. But if you run into that issue, please try the steps that I just mentioned, and possibly let me know if you need more help. I'm always willing to help. I'm always willing to help out, and I reply extremely fast. So please just reach out. Thank you so much.